Welcome to Jeff's Garage. What we're going to be doing today is looking at this solenoid. Inside here some contacts. After the solenoid does this mechanical movement to sling the gear onto the flywheel, it makes a contact in here to power the motor. Jumping the start terminal over here to the hot, you can hear the solenoid operating. That slings the gear out. It should also be making contact to run the motor, like this jump right here. So we're going to take this apart here and show you the contacts that make that circuit up. This starter was flooded with fresh water. I've already taken apart the starter and cleaned the brush rigging and cleaned the rust out of here and rinsed it off with denatured alcohol. So everything seems to be working well except these contacts. So in this starter I had to desolder two wires that go down into the coil. These two wires here to get the cap off. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the corroded terminals. The ends of these bolts are usually copper. I think that one's copper. Looks copper there. I'll be able to tell when I clean it up. And then you have this big bar here that's making the contact across these terminals. So you can see that's all heavy duty to handle the amps of starting your engine. Now some of these are made and they don't have the ability to be taken apart. You see how this one's pressed in. So on this, I think you'd have to buy a new solenoid. Harley-Davidson did a pretty good job with theirs over here on this 1980s King of the Road. So this end comes off nice and easy, and it's got a big copper washer in there that makes the contacts for the big amps that go to crank it. Okay, we got this copper piece all cleaned up here. Just the copper bar. Makes contacts across these. That's copper in there also. And that goes to the studs on the other side where the terminals go. This one here is for the lead that goes into the starter. This here is for your positive heavy battery cable. All right, I got the cap back on. Got the terminals resoldered here. Got my positive lead hooked back up. Taking jumper across this start terminal to the positive. You hear the solenoid in, you hear the motor. Thanks for watching.